Paul Manafort, the president's former campaign chairman, took a double hit today. A federal judge in Washington added 3.5 years to his prison term stemming from Robert Mueller's special counsel investigation. And new criminal charges were filed against him in New York. Here's Paula Reid.
Paul Manafort's wife, Kathleen, showed no emotion as she walked out of court today following a judge's ruling that her husband must serve 7.5 years in federal prison.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Defense attorney Kevin Downing blasted the sentence before being drowned out by protesters.
Very sad day for such a callous, harsh sentence that is totally unnecessary, much like this.
But in a surprise twist, just a half hour later, Manhattan District Attorney Cyrus Vance announced New York state charges against Manafort for mortgage fraud, conspiracy, and falsifying business records. Manafort has been banking on a pardon from President Trump, who today was non-committal.
It's not something that's right now on my mind. I do feel badly for Paul Manafort. That I can tell you.
But even if Mr. Trump grants a pardon for the federal crimes, his powers don't extend to state crimes. Former federal prosecutor Scott Frederickson.
It certainly appears to be an attempt by the Manhattan DA, Cy Vance, to make sure that Mr. Manafort is prosecuted and perhaps serves prison time, even if he is pardoned.
The 69-year-old former Trump campaign chairman was one of Robert Mueller's first targets and is heading to jail for a range of federal crimes, including bank fraud, witness tampering, and conspiracy against the United States. In court today, Manafort appeared in a wheelchair, wearing a dark suit and holding a cane. "I am sorry for what I have done," he told Judge Amy Berman Jackson. He asked her not to separate him from his wife and family. But Judge Jackson was not moved, saying Manafort was not a victim and that it is hard to overstate the number of lies and the amount of fraud involved in his crimes. New York prosecutors have to be careful, Jeff, that the crimes they are pursuing aren't too similar to the charges Manafort has already faced. That's prohibited under a standard known as double jeopardy. But New York prosecutors say they're confident in their case.
Paula, thank you very much.